If you've ever wondered how to check your LinkedIn password, this video will walk you through the simplest and safest way to look for it in Google Chrome. Now, just a quick note before we begin. You usually cannot directly view an existing LinkedIn password unless it was previously saved in your browser or password manager. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check whether Chrome has stored it for you and what to do if it hasn't been saved. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access your settings and saved passwords. From the menu, go to Settings. Inside Settings, find the section called Autofill and Passwords. This is where Chrome stores saved login information, payment details, and other autofill data. Next, click Google Password Manager. This is the place where Chrome keeps passwords that have been saved to your Google account or browser. Once you're inside Google Password Manager, use the search bar and type LinkedIn. Chrome will scan your saved passwords and show any LinkedIn login entries that match. If you see your LinkedIn account listed, click it to view the saved username and password details. At this point, Chrome may ask you to verify your identity before revealing the password. This could mean entering your device password, using fingerprint authentication, or confirming with another security method. That extra step is there to protect your accounts, so go ahead and complete the verification if prompted. After that, you should be able to see the saved LinkedIn password if it exists. If LinkedIn does not appear in Google Password Manager, that usually means the password was never saved in Chrome, or it was deleted earlier. In that case, you won't be able to check the current password from the browser. Instead, you'll need to reset it. To do that, go back to the LinkedIn sign-in page and click Forgot Password. This will start the password recovery process, so you can create a new password and regain access to your account. If you're already signed into LinkedIn on another device, you may also be able to update your password from your account settings after confirming your identity. But if your goal is simply to find a password that was previously saved, Google Password Manager is the first place to check. A quick tip here: if you find your LinkedIn password saved in Chrome, consider updating it to a stronger one and turning on two-factor authentication. That gives your account an extra layer of protection and makes it much harder for anyone else to get in. So to recap, open Chrome, go to Settings, then Autofill and Passwords, then Google Password Manager, search for LinkedIn, and check whether your password has been saved. If it isn't there, use Forgot Password to reset it securely. I hope this tutorial made the process clear and easy to follow. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.